First, take the nylon thread and fold it in half and attach the hook in the middle. I will name both the sides of the nylon thread as L and R so you won't get confused. Now take the L side and add 2 big pearls to it. And take the R side and add 10 beads to it. I'm using the color black. You can use any color. I'm a bit slow actually. Now take the side L and add a big bead to it. And don't take it to the bottom. Keep it in the middle and take the side R and pass it through it crossly. That is from down to up. Now you will find it as a knot and tighten it. So you will see how it is done in the video. So if you're getting confused, that's why I'm recording the audio. I hope you understand how I have taken the thread R and see, we have got a knot and it looks like this. And repeat the same till the end. Hope you understand it. If you have any suggestion, please comment down below the video. This is my first making video, so I'm a bit nervous. And so if it becomes loose, don't worry, you can tighten it at last. I'm sorry that the pin is a bit loose. Now repeat the same process till the end and then hook it. The materials is listed in the description box. So do it till the end and then attach the hook. Hope you liked the video and this is how it looks. It's so pretty and so beautiful. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.